Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For everyone that is new, my name is Cee. If you're new, thank you for tuning in. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you guys get notified whenever I post a new video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate the love and support. So today's video, I am doing a unboxing of a ring light, my table ring light. So I do currently have a ring light. I think it's about 8 inches, I believe this one is. But I've had it for so long, and this the one I got from Amazon, so I will leave that link in the description box below. So I went on NEEWER, the website for NEEWER, where I got my 18-inch ring light, and I saw that they had a new affordable table one, so I wanted to go ahead and purchase. Now, let me say this. I don't know if I wasn't expecting the package to come from Amazon because that's the box that it came in, but I definitely purchased this off the website. So I don't know if this is official. I don't know if I should be like, okay, let me send it back because it didn't come from them. It came from Amazon. I don't know, but whatever the case is, I'm going to rock with it. So this is the ring light. This is a 10-inch ring light. So I'm going to take out its content. Okay, so you guys can see the content. So this is the base, and it does say NEEWER. But I don't know, with it coming from Amazon, you know, I just want to be sure. So I'm just going to peel back this film. So I'm going to go based off the instructions. Okay, so now you have the base of your ring light. So I'm going to screw this in to the base. So this is kind of like the neck of the ring light. Okay. So as you can see, this is the 10-inch ring light. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and slide this down. I'm going to just make this ring light straight. Okay, this still feels loose. So I'm not sure if that's how it's supposed to be, but okay. Now we're going to put the cell phone neck on, and you're just going to screw it in like this. And you can bend it. Sorry guys. So you can bend it or straighten it back up. So I do love that about that. Sorry guys, I'm trying to use the ring light that I do have, but it's not doing it for me. So you can see why I want to do a new one, or you see why I bought a new one. But anyway, so this is the USB. So you would definitely plug this in. I'm going to you can plug this into another you can plug this up to your computer, to anything that uses the USB, or like I did, this ring light that I am using currently, it has the same thing as well. So I kind of plugged it into an old one of my old cell phone plugs. So that's how I'm able to use my this ring light, which it is convenient, but sometimes I wish it just had a cord. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put the cell phone piece on. So guys, this is my ring light all set up. So I'm gonna take my phone off of this old one and show you guys which one I do have, and then we're gonna test out this new ring light. So guys, this was the current ring light I was using, a table ring light I was using. So let's just turn this new one on. So this is what it's giving. This is what it's looking like. So it do come in two colors. There was a white and there was a black. Now the black one they did have on sale, but I wanted white because it kind of goes with pretty much my vanity. So yeah. Alright, so this is the ring light. My phone is hooked up to the ring light so you guys can see how bright it is, which I truly love. I'm going to turn off my mirror light and my other ring light just to kind of see the light that is giving. So this is the light with nothing else. So, and don't mind my little greasy face. I done had this makeup on for a couple hours. So, anywho, so this is what it's giving. So this is the white. This is yellow. And this is the white yellow. Now, I like the white for the most part. So this is the lowest, and this is the highest that it goes. Now this is on with my mirror light and then my ring light. So it helps kind of balance everything out, especially when I am trying to record videos. So I'm super excited. It looks so sleek. It just looks pretty. It blends in with everything. I love the gooseneck where I can, like, you know, rotate, you know, move it all around. But guys, this is the video. This is the unboxing of my NEEWER ring light. I love it. And yeah, it's a new addition to my vanity. So guys, if you like this video, if you want to see me do any more unboxing, let me know in the comments below. Also, check out certain facts in the description box below. Also, again, if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, hit the notification bell. If you're returning, again, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for rocking with me and supporting me in my channel. And I look forward to seeing you guys real soon. So, with that being said, bye.